The Internet of Medical Things, or IoMT, is revolutionizing healthcare. Imagine a world where medical devices are interconnected, sharing real-time data. IoMT empowers healthcare providers with valuable insights, enabling better patient care. From pacemakers to insulin pumps, IoMT devices are transforming how we monitor and manage health. This interconnectedness allows for remote patient monitoring, reducing hospital visits. IoMT encompasses a wide array of medical devices, each playing a vital role in patient care. These devices can be categorized into wearables, implantables, and stationary equipment. Wearables, like fitness trackers and smartwatches, track fitness metrics. They monitor heart rate, sleep patterns, and blood glucose levels. Implantable devices, like pacemakers and insulin pumps, manage chronic conditions. Stationary equipment, like imaging machines and ventilators, are essential in hospitals. Connecting these devices to IoMT allows real-time monitoring and proactive maintenance. The benefits of IoMT are undeniable. But this interconnectedness comes with inherent risks. Cybersecurity is paramount when it comes to IoMT, as we're dealing with sensitive health data and life-critical devices. A security breach can have severe consequences, jeopardizing patient safety and privacy. Imagine a scenario where a hacker gains access to a patient's insulin pump. They could potentially manipulate the dosage, leading to life-threatening consequences. Similarly, unauthorized access to medical records can result in identity theft or even blackmail. The healthcare industry is a prime target for cybercriminals due to the value of health data. Stolen medical records can be sold on the black market for a high price, making them a lucrative target. Moreover, attacks on healthcare institutions can disrupt operations, putting lives at risk. IoMT devices, despite their benefits, often have security vulnerabilities. Many devices prioritize functionality over security. This makes them susceptible to cyber attacks. Outdated software is a major vulnerability. Default passwords are another significant threat. The interconnected nature of IoMT creates a wider attack surface. A single compromised device can serve as an entry point for hackers. Section 5. Real-world repercussions. When IoMT security fails. The consequences of IoMT security breaches are not theoretical. They're a stark reality. In 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack crippled hospitals across the globe. This attack exploited vulnerabilities in outdated software, locking down critical systems and demanding ransom. Patients were turned away from emergency rooms, surgeries were postponed, and medical records became inaccessible. The attack highlighted the devastating impact of cybersecurity failures in healthcare. In another instance, researchers demonstrated the feasibility of remotely hacking into a pacemaker. They were able to access the device's controls, potentially altering its functionality and putting the patient's life at risk. While this was a controlled experiment, it underscores the potential consequences of unsecured IoMT devices. Section 6. Building a secure IoMT ecosystem. Practical steps and best practices. Securing the IoMT ecosystem requires a multifaceted approach, involving manufacturers, healthcare providers, and patients. Manufacturers must prioritize security from the design phase, incorporating robust security features into devices. Regular software updates are crucial to patching vulnerabilities and protecting against emerging threats. Healthcare providers play a vital role in securing their networks and educating staff on cybersecurity best practices. Implementing strong passwords, enabling multi-factor authentication, and regularly auditing network security are essential steps. Patients also have a responsibility to protect their devices. This includes changing default passwords, being cautious about connecting to public Wi-Fi networks, and reporting any suspicious activity to their healthcare providers. By working together, we can create a more secure IoMT ecosystem. Section 7. The role of healthcare professionals. Guardians of patient safety and data. Healthcare professionals are on the front lines of IoMT adoption, and their role in cybersecurity is paramount. They are responsible for ensuring that devices are used safely and patient data is protected. This includes staying informed about potential vulnerabilities and best practices for securing devices. Training on cybersecurity awareness should be mandatory for all healthcare staff handling IoMT devices. This training should cover topics like password management, phishing scams, and the importance of reporting suspicious activity. Healthcare professionals are also responsible for educating patients about the importance of securing their devices. This includes providing clear instructions on changing default passwords, connecting to secure networks, and recognizing potential threats. Ethical considerations. Navigating the intersection of technology and healthcare. The convergence of technology and healthcare raises important ethical considerations. Patient privacy is paramount, and data must be handled responsibly. Bias in IoMT algorithms is another concern. Ensuring ethical development and deployment of these algorithms is essential. Section 9. The future of IoMT security. Innovation, collaboration, and vigilance. The IoMT landscape is constantly evolving, with new devices and technologies emerging rapidly. This evolution necessitates a dynamic approach to cybersecurity, one that anticipates and adapts to emerging threats. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing an increasingly important role in IoMT security. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to detect anomalies and potential threats in real time. This proactive approach to security is crucial in mitigating risks and protecting patient safety. Collaboration is key in the fight against cybercrime. Sharing information about threats, vulnerabilities, and best practices across the healthcare industry is essential. Government agencies, industry leaders, and healthcare providers must work together to create a united front against cyber threats. Section 10. A call to action. Securing the future of connected healthcare. The IoMT holds immense promise for revolutionizing healthcare. But this promise can only be fulfilled if we prioritize cybersecurity. Securing the IoMT ecosystem is not just the responsibility of cybersecurity experts. It's a shared responsibility. Manufacturers, healthcare providers, patients, and policymakers must work together to create a secure and trustworthy environment for connected healthcare. By embracing a culture of cybersecurity, we can harness the full potential of IoMT while safeguarding patient safety and privacy. The future of healthcare is interconnected, and it's our responsibility to ensure that this interconnectedness is secure. Let's work together to build a future where technology empowers healthcare without compromising patient safety.